Hello friends, welcome to lecture 6 of Android app development for beginners. In this video, we will see the history of Android. Android Incorporation was founded in Palo Alto, California in October 2003. It was founded by 4 members. They were Rich Minar, Nick Sears, Sears White and Andy Robin. They developed Android operating system for cameras. The operating system was made only for cameras at that time. In July 2005, Google acquired Android Incorporation at least for $50 million. Rubin and other founding members stayed on to continue to develop the operating system under Google. Rubin stayed at Google as head of the Android team until 2013. In October 31st, 2014, Rubin left Google and launched a startup business. Open Handset Alliance. The OHA was established on 5th November 2007. It was led by Google. It is an association of 84 firms to develop open standards for mobile devices. The OHA member can use the operating system Android for their handsets. The OHA members cannot release handsets which fail to follow the compatible test suite controlled by Google. The member of OHA includes companies like HTC, Sony, Dell, etc. HTC Dream was the first Android controlled mobile released on 22 October 2008. It was featuring with 3-inch touchscreen, internet navigation buttons and full QWERTY keypad. Thank you.